Clear glass is one of the most widely used materials inside the average home. It allows for the passage of light, contributes to the openness of an area, and is easy to maintain. Low iron glass is manufactured with reduced iron content as compared to regular glass. The less greenish tint results in exceptional clarity, and the colorless appearance will give greater light transmission. Frosted or acid-etched glass is produced by acid etching regular glass. It's distinctive and uniformly smooth with a satin-like appearance. Frosted glass emits soft light while providing vision control. Only one side of the glass is etched, leaving the other side smooth for easy cleaning. Gray glass is a tinted glass type. This dark, silver-based tint looks gray and allows less flow of light. This glass looks great with chrome or stainless steel hardware. Bronze glass is a dark tinted glass option. This opaque bronze glass is protective and pleasing to the eye, and it reduces the transmission of light.